Hello, hello. Something was off. Hmm. I hopefully can hear me now. Alright. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know. Something was wrong with my OBS and apparently the stream wasn't sending stuff through the internet to you. So now I was sending but you weren't receiving. Well, actually I wasn't sending, but nevertheless. Hello and welcome to another day of working from 0 to 100k. The challenge, coding, building, learning, marketing, selling, all the stuff you used to. Hello, chat. How are you today? It seems to be working now. That's good. Hey, Joel, Ziad, Alfredo, Harshil, Novakin. How are y'all today? Pika Coder. Hi. Yeah, sorry for the delay. I don't know what happened. Something happened. Stuff happens. Sometimes. All the time. 3 a.m. in Toronto. Whoa, hey. Daniel. I don't like this sound. Okay, so let's see. I always have to first thing have to plan the day and see how we're going to start. And if you were yesterday, you remember that on the Make Money Dev website project side, we made this progress bar be dynamic and the data comes from Notion, which is, was kind of hard to set up. And also I can put here a I'm live button, but for that I need to go to Notion, and in this document I have to check this and I have to put the ID, which is not one. All right, and I also have some news, but I'm going to tell you in a second. I just have to add this here. Basically, we need now to rebuild the site. Yeah, that works. Okay. And I guess I can trigger a rebuild on Netlify. Let's see, make money dev, deploy, trigger deploy. Alright, now when it will be deployed and we refresh, we should see the live button here and the income here. What do you mean by rebuild the site? It has to we get the new data now from the Notion page from here, and it will rebuild the static website. This is a static website. HTML CSS was just for testing out the MVP market response. If so, that's really cool. Yeah, kind of that was the idea of weekly deals for devs to try out to see how it works. And I'll have some news. Just take a look at this number here, and in a second. All right, let's refresh, and boom. Whoa. Well, that grew a lot. Yeah, yesterday off stream I made $400, which is kind of cool. Well, it was because of the weekly deals for developers website. Considering that I'm going on vacation for 2 weeks, I wanted to get the deals for the next 2 weeks. So that means 2 feature deals per week, and I charged $100 per deal. So that's 100 times 2 times 2, so that's 400. And that brings the total to 720 for the challenge. Yeah, I don't know if there were any ebook sales. No, not ebook sales. Notion page sales. So that's pretty cool. Almost 1K. Almost 1K. Now, yeah, let's see what else I did. I started working on like adding. Let's open it. Where is it? Live server. I was trying to figure out, okay, considering that I'm going to be in vacation, how can I upload the deals next Monday and the next Monday, you know, because I won't be home, so I won't have access to my computer. So it has to be in a way that's kind of dynamic, more or less, or with maybe something very straightforward to do. So I created a new branch on GitHub. It's week 2, and here in the new branch I added the new deals for the next week. So then on Monday all I have to do is to merge the pull request for the second week, and when they're merged, Netlify will rebuild the site and the new deals will appear. And as you can see, I have these 2 deals. Pretty nice. This book is really great. You check it out. And VS Code Superhero if you want to be a VS Code superhero. I have this course for next week, and 2 free deals for now, and 1 is coming. I have the details for this one I'm going to add soon. And I also changed the date. So basically next Monday I just have to accept the PR and done. The deals will be live. I know it's probably not the best way to do this, but hey, it is what it is. Okay. Yeah, so like pretty nice. But I worked for a couple of hours yesterday to reach out to people and ask for like a good deal for the website and see who has some free stuff to share. But yeah, that's kind of it. I also have, so people paid for these 2, and I also have the 2 feature deals for the following week. So I have to create a PR for that and add the deals, and I have to find 2 more free deals. And all of this has to be done like until I'm gone, and they all have to be set up. So on Monday from my vacation, I just click a button and it's. Hi, can you show the stats for the website? How many visitors are visiting? How many are actually going to buy the deals? When it comes to buying, I don't have access because the links go directly to their page. So I can't see the stats for that. And the website stats you can see there in the bottom. It had 3,000 visitors. Hey Petru, it had 3,000 visitors in the last 7 days. Probably the next, yeah, I know, Strarhill, but like that's true. Calculate the return on $100. But on the other side, like I'm also leveraging my social media, you know. People come here on the page, people watch it in the live stream, people see on Twitter, they get promoted by the other creators because like all the deals, like for example on this site, I asked all the creators here to share the fact that there are deals on this website, so it gets a lot of traction. And like it's not only about the fact that okay, I'm going to make a sale this week, right? It's not only about that. It's about the fact that it gets out to a lot of people who see the deal, and even if they might not buy right now, they have it there in the mind, you know. And maybe if they get exposed again on another source, they will decide. So it's not necessarily only about, all right, do I make the money back in a week? Because it's a long term also. At least that's how I see it, and that's how I promote the paid product, the paid slot. Hey Christy, how are you, my fellow Romanian? Yeah, but definitely one of the things which I should improve upon is um, like getting more people to check out the website on a weekly basis. That's something, and yeah, I guess that will be the struggle, because the more people join, obviously I can raise the prices. Eventually, I want to get to a point where it makes $1,000 a month and is like as frictionless as possible. So people buy the slots and everything is automatic, and yeah. Azer, yeah, you can start doing YouTube in your local language. I yeah, Harshil, I have a weekly newsletter. Uh, and currently it has, let's check, 188 subscribers. Twitter bot that posts the deals weekly. Oh, that's a nice idea, Twitter bot. I'm going to post the deals on my own Twitter, so that gets, gets the word out. I've been programming for 8 years. Okay. How many free deals I plan to having? I plan on having 3. I've been thinking yesterday, what if I'm going to drop the feature deals to 1 slot and the free deals to multiple slots, and like make the feature deal stand out somehow. For now, the feature deal is more like of, all right, this is a paid product which is heavily discounted, right? As you can see here, there's a big discount, here also good discount, and like here is a big discount. Yeah. How long did it take to make this website? I don't know, a couple of hours. It was more about brainstorming the idea than the actual coding, and then adding some dynamic aspect to it. So yeah, I guess up to a week, but it wasn't a week because I was streaming for like 2-3 hours a day. So yeah, more or less a couple of days. And if you want to check out where I'm situated on the like the revenue side, you can check out this website and this. Oh yeah, look, that we discussed at the beginning. I'm live on YouTube now, works, and it should come to see my ugly face. Awesome. Yeah. And yeah, this number is right now 720 out of 100k, which is yeah. Okay. I'm thinking. I don't know exactly what if I should like spend more time making the weekly deals for devs better, the website, like I'm thinking. I had people reach out to me to add their products on the page, so it kind of has potential, and it might have bigger potential if I can grow it, grow the website, grow the newsletter. But for that, I kind of need to reach out to more communities and yeah, promote it more. Maybe I could use some of the money to pay for some slots on I'm thinking, or I could just leave this as it is tweak it a bit to make it more automated, and start working on another project which has bigger potential, maybe something with monthly recurring revenue, like subscription model. What technology are you using for the website? I use just for this one just HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript to get this to be dynamic from a JSON file. Yeah. Just give me. Weekly deals. I want to see. Yeah, the E. All right. I love Tailwind CSS. This is what I used to build this. Okay. Let's go to the notes. See what are the to-dos for today. This is in progress. Why do I have this twice? Oh, for next week. Oh, okay. Prepare emails for weekly. Right? Weekly. Whoops. What I did. I did something. Hey, Marco. Not this. Notes. I did. What I did. Anyway. So this I wanted to. Oh. Yeah, I hope you have a productive day too. Yeah, and I kind of did this. So, all right. Let's work on adding the next deals for the next week. Set up the PR and write the email. Right. That should be the way to go. So I'm going to open this live server and yeah. Okay. Good. I have on board deal. And then I need to set up the next PR. Okay. This is the beautiful JSON file. Title will be Introduction to Vue. There's a Vue course which is paid usually, but now it's courtesy to Eric. Okay, and thumbnail. All right. Vue introduction. Okay, Vue in. Okay, and I need the short. I managed to get the clicks here, which is good. Maybe, yeah, maybe I won't use BitLI anymore. and just have the URLs. It will simplify the work a bit. But I need to change this week too. That's tricky. Thanks, Andres. Yeah, I'll leave it for now just because, and I'll put a to change, remove the short URL and use only the URL for the. I guess I can change it now. I go to the main branch and I update it too. For the. Now that you are reading stuff from NotionDB, you could put the links deals there too. Yes, you're right. I was thinking about that too, but for now, I won't complicate this. At least for the next 2 weeks, since I'm going on vacation, I'll leave it like that. I'll set it up for this and just, you know. Alright, so I'm going to do something which hopefully won't break stuff. I'll remove the short URL, and in the script now I need to use just the, I forgot the name already, just the URL. Here and here. So now it will be easily trackable on. Hey, something happened with few introduction. Hey Mihai, good morning, Clement. Alright, so now the links are directly to like the website. Is good. Hey Kapoor, how are you, buddy? Okay, but this, I guess if I accept this, will work in the PR. Nevertheless, I'm going to do something. Let me think. So the time is right, July 19th. I still don't know exactly. Can someone verify a place for me? Weekly deals. Can you go here and tell me if you see the same counter, like the same days, hours, and minutes? I'm wondering if JavaScript, like, I guess it has a UTC if we put it like this, right? This is UTC, but I want to make sure that everyone sees the same hour. For me, for example, this will be same using my time zone. Alright, so different. Oh. So that's not good. What do you think about creating an F-bar on this website you're working on? F-bar 4? Oh yeah, that's not good. So everyone sees different time. That's definitely something need to be fixed. Show same time for all peeps. Yeah, that's not good. Just drink water, people, because it's so hot. Crazy hot. We'll have 32 degrees today. Okay, so I need to change that. Can I put UTC here? I guess that works. Let's see if I remove it. Oh there. Oh there. Okay. If I remove this, it should say 13. Awesome. So if I put UTC, Can I put +3? That will be crazy. Awesome. So, okay. Now everyone should see the same time, which is my midnight. But, big but, 37 degrees. Oh my. That's crazy. I don't know what's happening. Have a doubt how the sponsors know the customers are coming from website. Is there any affiliate parameter? Oh, that's a good question. These two aren't. This is affiliate. Some are affiliate, some are not. But nevertheless, oh, they have a coupon code usually. If you check here, you can see coupon Florin, and this is a weekly deal. So they offer a coupon code, and they can track using that coupon. Sorry. Okay. Let me put it then on 10 a.m. because that's roughly when I'll hit. So that's better. All right. Oh, we fixed something else. I like this thing of like figuring things out and fixing and yeah. All right. Let me push this. Git add. Git commit. New deals. Deals for week 2. Git push week 2. This is how you do it. Git push origin week 2. How do you do it? Yeah, it's correct because this will go live on Monday and then the deals will be live, like the new deals will be live after, you know. So this is basically the new deals for week 3. Hey Adrian, everyone say hello to Adrian, my former colleague. How are you, buddy? Okay, so how do I push this branch? Is it git push origin week 2? Is it? I haven't worked with branches in a while. Fingers crossed. All right, that's create the pull request for week 2, visiting, remote, resolving. Okay. Oh, good. You check out main. All right, so now on main, I have to do the same. A bit bummer, but anyway, I have to put this 10 a.m. a UTC +3, and I also want to fix the short URLs. And you know what? No. I won't fix it. I'll leave it like this because all the clicks now are to BitLI, and if I ever want to check them, I'll leave it like this, and then the next week's PR will push and change it. Hopefully nothing breaks. Fingers crossed. But I'll have a laptop, and in case something breaks, I'll just... Yeah. Oh well. Okay, so now let me commit this. Updated the time to the correct one. Push. Hey Brian. Okay, so this is done. I put it. Okay, I did this too. Now what I need to do is to branch week 3 from week 2 to make sure that the changes are consistent. And that the website doesn't break. Okay, so now everyone, can you confirm if you go here? If you go on the weekly deals for dev now, can you confirm that the time is the same even if you are like everywhere? Now it should work because I specified the time zone. Awesome. I really need to put my my stream deck to do the clap stuff. Thanks, chat. You're the best. Okay. So that's done. The next week is prepared. Let's write the next. If I want to branch from week 2, I go to week 2, right? And then do git checkup branch week 3. Switch to a new branch week 3. All right. Okay, so that's good. That means that this week will be the third week will be from this one. The time for the new deals here will be 26. And yeah, now I have to update the deals. Tudor, we were in Tirgumures. And the informatics. So I have this, and Alright. Eventually, it will be nice to just put deals, have them in place, have a system to work so it gets everything and pushes out on Monday and sends email and yeah. I just don't know how if it's worth it or not. Nevertheless, let me get the details. So this is a beginner Tailwind core. Like the nice thing about you watching live is that you can get these deals faster. Get the link and buy it. So see, this is why someone asked before, like, is it worth it, the $100? I guess like the overall exposure someone promoting a product is good. Right, 47, 10. Thumbnail. Tailwind. Yeah, at some point I might delete the other. Tailwind. Alright, so the first one is up. Ooh. The thumbnail. Oh, the title. There. Thumbnail is not the best. I'll tell. Yeah, let me send him a. Can help me. Papa. I learned a lot from your 10 hours, 10 projects, 10 hours, and 1 hour. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm also studying informatics in Craiova, second year, going to the third last one, but I can't wait to learn faster to create websites for my ideas and become a full stack developer. But that's something that depends on me and got to do it pretty much on my own. Yes, Tudor, that's right. Pretty much like 95% of what I've learned on my own. college taught me a bit of the basics of programming, like the really basics, like creating a loop and if, else, and variables and stuff like that. It was in C. I haven't used it since. And then I've learned a bit of Java. But yeah, I mean, when it comes to web and building websites, I've learned everything on my own. In college, we had one class and I skipped the class. I just went to the exam and nailed it because I already had experience creating websites. So everyone who's listening, if you're going down this path of programming, you kind of have to accept the fact that you're going to learn on your own mostly, by building, by like I learned by watching courses, and then the most I learned by building stuff. So yeah, it's just this how it is. Okay. Oh, that's one course. I have another one. Coupon code. Can you create a link in it? So I have this. One is a Django project. Django. This career is an endless haul. You will learn your whole life. The technologies change, they get upgraded, they get replaced, so it's a constant struggle. That's pretty cool. I'm glad I found your channel and subscribe. I like your content. Thank you. I'm glad you'll do. Hey, Alan. Welcome from Brazil. It is hard to learn how Git works, and also it's hard to learn Python and React. It is hard for me to tell you what's hard or not because it depends on so many things. Like, for example, if you know JavaScript, then React is not that hard to learn. Like, or if you know Vue after you learn JavaScript, then React is probably easy to learn because you already know it. So I mean, it's hard to say. I wouldn't go. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's hard or not. It just matter if you are willing to put in the time to learn it, right? If it's hard, and I mean, if it's hard but you put in the time to learn it, it's much more important than if it's easy and you don't put the time, you know? So yeah. Okay. That I'll put here Django. I also need to remove the images, but oh well. Progress. Hey Vid, welcome. The link for now is this, but can I figure out a link with the coupon code? Does I have a coupon code? Teachable. I have a teachable around. Maybe something like, let's try. All right, nevertheless, course is $19.99 and it will be $4.999, and this will be Django 2021. Whoops. Okay. I go here and I put it like a coupon on code hopper. No, copy. They create these. Oh yeah, that's it, but it doesn't work. So coupon. Teachable coupon code in the URL. I was thinking how you can query your database on a static site. You can use Netlify's Lambda function. Ooh. I could look into that. Coupons. I want to see the formula of the URLs of the coupon. Does anyone know a teachable course code? That should work, right? Code, 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 code. Ah. What am I doing wrong? Yes. Yeah, well, oh, okay, okay, look at coupon code. Product ID and coupon code. I put coupon code. They're scheduling branching for next week and the next week. Yeah, the following 2 weeks. All right. Yeah, I'll fix that then. And I have 3 slots for free. One more. Well, I have one already. I've been talking with Flavio, and I have JavaScript ebook. So JavaScript. Yeah, maybe the code. I was thinking about that too. Thanks. Yeah, maybe the code is not live. That's why it doesn't work. So that's that. This says book JavaScript. Okay, so that's that, and I need to find 2 more. So let me. Okay, these are just some dummy. So I know that I need to add stuff there. Okay. I mean, not too shabby. The date is alright in 17 days. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Today, hopefully, I get the 2 other free deals. I add them. And yeah, I need to fix this. I'm going to push to the GitHub repository, and then on Monday I'm going to manually accept the PR. Let's make a PR and see how it works. GitHub weekly deals dev. Oh, I have an issue here. Form CSS needs to fix for mobile. I think I saw and fixed it. Fixed this. Yeah, I did it. Thank you for your suggestion. I fixed. Okay. So pull request, you can compare. And doesn't matter, don't worry, you can still create a pull request. Why can't you mark? Skills for week 2. Create pull request. And then conflicts. Resolve conflicts. Oh, that. That will be a bummer. What's the correct one? First, the top one, right? Think. So July is next week, then next week. Okay. Marcus resolved. Not commit merge. No. How do I save. I don't want to merge though. Resolve a conflict between week and committing changes. And committing changes to week 2. Oh, I want that, right? Right? What happens when I click this? Will it merge with the main? Oh well, I click. Oh yeah, not merge pull request. Awesome, good. So that's fixed. No. Yeah, I haven't worked with GitHub in a while, so well, with Git and everything. It's funny how you forget things when you're not working with them, but at the same time, it's nice that you kind of only need a bit of time to work again with the tool to get back on track. Okay, so that's what I have to do with the next week also, and then I'm ready in my vacation. I'll just come at 10 a.m. and click merge pull request. I'm also going to write I need to write this down. I need to write tweets for weekly Deals Dev launches. I mean, I can kind of do that in my vacation in half an hour or so, but yeah. Wait, on Monday I will be on the road. Oh, yeah. Check this, I have an assistant. Hey Siri, set a reminder on Monday at 9:30 a.m. to send the deals for the weekly Deals Dev. Awesome. You can schedule it. Like what? The tweets? I know that. I can schedule the email, which I have to do. And can I schedule the merge? Schedule merge. Let's see. GitHub schedule merge. Merge schedule actions. I mean, yes. I have no idea how this works. That's why I'm a bit worried about doing something. Automatically merging a pull request. Schedule. Schedule pull request in GitHub using GitHub. Let's see what it says. Okay, okay, that's in something like I need to do. Last week I went to campaign and internet timers. While GitHub has no native solution to schedule pull requests like most not, I can use GitHub Actions built by Gregor to do the job. Okay, it's pretty simple to set up this action. How long did it take you to become a front web dev? That's another, like, how you define becoming a web dev. What means to be a web dev? You know, it's like, I don't know, because I don't have a diploma saying I'm a web dev. I'm a web dev since I started like coding. I mean, or maybe since I had my first project, my paid project. Is hard to say. Create a folder structure if it doesn't exist your project. Okay, create a normal following. Being able to make a website with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Probably half a year, something. But I wasn't full time, so. And I also started freelancing very soon. You can try scheduling the next 5 minutes for demo PR merge. That's wise and smart. But I don't know, this cron, you can see the cron job scheduling is at 8 a.m. UTC each day. If you're interested in creating your own schedule, be sure to check cron that. That's it for the presentation. Just step is super simple. When you create your pull request, add the date at the end of your notes. Station blocker. This will now schedule the pull request merge to complete at 8 a.m. UTC on August. So this seems like something I'd have to do, but at the same time, don't want to mess it up. Creating websites and making them work pretty much like everything about it. Building it, hosting, making them available on the internet so others can use them. I'd say a couple months. 6 months, a year, 6 to a year. You can get up and running with HTML pretty fast. It's not that hard, it's kind of logic. Then CSS also, but CSS gets a bit tricky with the layout and all that. And like, you can put a website out and people can like read stuff. You can put a simple HTML page out and like your family can read your, I don't know, biography or something. It's like writing on a document or something. But yeah, monetizing it has to bring value of some sort. Anywho, this seems like something interesting, but I don't know if, I mean, I can test it. Oh, so this says the time and this says the date. Oh, hey Taylor, what's the plan today? I added the weekly deals for week 2 and 3, made some money, and yeah, I guess that's all. Now I'm looking to see how I can schedule the pull requests which will go live on the days. Well, this is not bad. Like, I can use this 8 a.m. UTC. I need 10 a.m. UTC plus 3, which is 7 a.m. UTC. So this will be 7. And this schedule, it will be the date. So let's try it. Let's try it. I mean, what can happen? I learn a new skill, and if it doesn't work out, well, I'll just do it manually. Okay, I need to commit these. Oops. Git add, git commit, new deals for week 3, git push origin 3, just to have it in the cloud. Instead of making pull requests each Monday, why don't you add a property in the JSON object which will be the data and based on that to show or hide deals from front end? See my face? My face is traumatized. That's not a bad idea. But it might need some logic, you know? Because okay, let's say instead of having like this JSON file having new deals, the date and products, I'll have an array of objects. But then I always have to do the calculation and see where we are at. And okay, let's see, this is week 1 time, this is week 2 time. Let's see if you can see my hands, probably not. Yeah. And we need to always check if we are between the times, get a difference, it's tricky to do the calculation. This can also be added in NotionDB instead of Deals to JSON. That's true, that's true. But at the beginning I started with this Deals JSON, so I won't change it now. You know? Eventually I might switch from indexation to working from a static website. Well, from working on index HTML and CS style CSS and a little JavaScript to maybe Next.js, and then I can add the what I've learned yesterday from Notion, and yeah, that will be from Notion. But still, figuring out having a counter on the page showing the difference in time, or I just got an idea. What if, hear me out, hey data, so what if instead of having this set here, I'll just figure out where we are in the week and find out the next Monday time and count down towards that time, right? Huh. But how do I do that? And then I can just have the timer reset itself every Monday at 10 a.m. because it will just get the next Monday at 10 a.m. Hey Drake, 4 a.m. the States. Whoa, you should go to sleep. I'm stuck on a project with authentication and waiting on help on Stack Overflow. I'd pop in and see up and see when you're going to get your Lambo. Probably not soon. I mean, can we have a purple Lambo? Whoa. I'd get this. Not sure what happened with this one. It was stitched, but yeah, I mean, I could collect this. 270,000 pounds. What? Nah. To be honest, what I was thinking, I really like doing this challenge. I like going live and talking with you and building stuff and learning. So probably when I finish this challenge, and you can, those of you who hear me out, you can keep me accountable for this. But probably after I finish the challenge, I'll either do it again and try to do it faster, or try to go higher. Wait, Lambo? So why your target 100 not 300k? No, my target was not a Lambo. Drake was probably joking. Great deals, thank you. All right. Let's focus. You sent their starting date, end date, feature, free, start date, ending. What? Yeah, that seems a bit common. How many years have you experienced in the sector? 8 years of working as a developer, but I kind of feel like this area is a bit new to me because not only have to build projects, I have to figure out a way to monetize the projects. So that's kind of going the next step. And if I manage to build this to make this challenge, not if, that's out of the question, when I manage to finish this challenge, I'll learn so much along the way. It will be much more rewarding. I'm not a native English speaker, so if I say dumb stuff, it's just because, yeah, you know. Nevertheless, so when I manage to finish this challenge, the knowledge I'm going to learn from making 100k will be probably worth much more than. Building is half the battle when you don't have an audience. Selling is the other half. Yes, I agree. I agree that I have a leverage by having an audience. I can't deny that, and it's nothing I can do. I mean, I could have started this challenge on a new channel without exposing my face and maybe trying to change my voice. But I mean, it is what it is. I'm fine with it. I still learn. I still mainly do this because I want to learn, as I said, marketing, sales, and building useful products. Uh, and along the way, I'm definitely going to learn stuff which I can help people, even if they're at the beginning with no audience. To there would be no fun in it if it were not for him. Thank you, but yeah, I mean, someone else could have done it. How much you earned so far? You can always go to makemoney.dev on the projects page and here, 720 bucks, which is nice, but the perspective of making more money, it's kind of closed now for the next 2 weeks because I charged for the next 2 weeks deal. So I have to figure out other ways to monetize this, and I have to find something like maybe a digital product or something with monthly recurring revenue to make sure that it has potential to make money even if I don't do anything active, you know? Because for these deals I had to reach out to people to make the money. But you built your audience on your own. There's nothing wrong using your position advantage. Yeah, that's I totally agree with this. Back in 2019 in February, so that was 2 years and 5 months ago, I had 300 followers on Twitter. Nobody knew who I was. I mean, yeah, it took time to build almost 200k following on social media. So yeah. You inspire devs like me who want to build things like software and audiences. I look up to where you've gotten yourself so far. Yeah, I'm like I really enjoy reading stuff like this, and I'm happy. I'm happy that I can do that. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing this publicly. Another reason is to keep myself accountable. So it's a win-win for everyone. How much you earned from affiliate from yesterday? I don't know if I did. One affiliate I can check, and the other one I have to ask. Yeah, no, for this one no sales, and for what the other one don't know. What was your booming video on YouTube? My 10 projects in 10 hours. 720 in 50 days ain't so bad. That's a living too, though, but livable wage here in the States. Yes, but also keep in mind that I've been working. Let's check it out. If you go on my channel, here, and you go in playlists, and you go on the live, and you close this. Yeah, you can see here, like the hours I've been working: 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. So probably around 2 hours a day. Hello Vid. Hey, look at that. This is the time you gain the moderator. So it was kind of a part-time job, you know. And I also like, even though my focus is to make money, I wasn't rushing towards making money. I could work as a freelancer and charge a couple of K for some websites, doing what I know, doing like the front end part, you know, and like, yeah, that could have. I mean, I didn't want it to do that. I wanted to build projects which have potential to make recurring revenue. Oh yeah. All right. Thank you for the chat, for being so active. I enjoy that. I hope you'll come and check me out every other day or so. You see the progress and give me the boost I need. The chat gives me energy to keep going. Yeah, Vid, you're right. Probably wasn't on day 0. I know there were a couple of days until I saw that you're active and I did that. You came for humor, not for coding. Yeah. One idea is instead of getting paid for sponsorship deals, get paid per coupon code used so that we can make more money. Yeah, that's right. That could be something like affiliate deals only, and instead of, but at the same time, I kind of wanted to have some money, you know, like some amount that it's okay, it's there, like a fixed price, even if it's not that much, $100 $200 a week for now, it's like a good amount. Yeah, I worked a bit off stream yesterday, but mostly I don't do that much work. If I do, it's mostly learning, and yeah. But no, stream is probably the most work I do. Except yesterday. Yesterday I did more work. Okay, I'm tired now. Need to fix. Do you have UPS from home office? I'm planning to buy one. Recommendations? I don't have one. Money is important. It keeps us fed and fuels our ambition. Building software can make you good money. Yeah, I agree. I also studied the financial, how do you call that? Like financial niche, where you investing and making money and using money to work, putting money to work for you. So yeah, all that financial independence, all that stuff. And yeah, doing what you love, making money, and then putting money to work for you, and eventually reaching the financial independence status is something I'm working towards. Hey Aaron, how are you? Topples. Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad idea to have a platform where people can join and yeah. I mean, that will bring this project to the next level. I don't know if I want to invest so much in this though, but I mean, it's not a bad idea at all. I guess it's just I don't know if I have mixed feelings. Yeah, I might have to buy an UPS because yes, when was it? 2 days ago, when it was a power outage, my PC kind of fried, and I was afraid I'm losing it. Okay, chat. Let's do some. I wanted to try something, right? I was confused when I saw you building this without a framework. I really build things in HTML anymore ever since I picked up Vue and Tailwind CSS. I just wanted to build it to show people that hey, you can make money with HTML CSS, and I kind of did. This project brought me $560 with only HTML CSS and Tailwind for styling, but hey, you could have done it with CSS only, so. Okay. He will end up replying your Stack Overflow. Yeah, when it comes to authentication, ouch. I mean, I'm afraid of that, like I don't know, running from my mom and it's angry, I don't know. Okay, guys, let's focus. Let's do something meaningful, like let's try this workflow, and I also have to write the emails, so that's the plan. I'm also considering hiring someone to help me with everything related to me, social media, email, projects, someone who will be around to, yep. There are so many things going on that I can't keep up with everything. I'm glad that it did, Drake. All right, git checkout main, and now here Let's create another branch, put something in it, and then try the schedule if it's working or not. So git checkout, or I can check out in another project. Yeah, let's do that. That's the wisest. I'm going back here on week 3 because I need to add stuff. So let's try the schedule in another project. Just schedule merge for now seems easier than JavaScript array and figuring out. And besides that, I know JavaScript. I don't know this, so I'm going to learn something new. Okay, new folder, GitHub merge. Options for users to subscribe for pre-launch of products. They get more discounts for it. Have him in with the author and allow purchase our parity. Oh boy. Like Tuples, you're just giving so good ideas. Yeah, not bad at all. But as I said, I don't know how far I want to go with this project. So, but it definitely has to, in order for it to go to the next level, it has to be something like that, having features, nice features, something different, something unique. I mean, who knows? Maybe I can automate it to make a couple of K a month just by having people bring deals and everything you said. I mean, yeah, that could be the next big release on this if I see the value. I just want to try the market first before launching like something that big, you know, because that involves some work. Anyway, let's just have a readme MD, and this will say I was here first. Thank you, Doubles. To be honest, if you don't mind, I'm going to write down your ideas just to have them maybe in the future. He's turning into just the MVP project, I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to write down, this is the weekly dev deals. Form where people can submit their products. I kind of did all this. Listing dev related form. Affiliate work with Cameron, fixed price for. I mean, look at this. I kind of did everything. So let's put. This will be version 2.0, like what you said there. First time live. Hey, Manuel. Welcome. Hope you'll enjoy and you'll come for more. Okay, Couple. So you said something about admin page. Allow creators to add their products. MEA sessions with users. Description to. I'll just copy this and I don't know if I'll build it, but yeah. Subscription for pre-launch products. PPP. Bye, Coding School. Take care. Courtesy of Apple's Edu. That's how you write courtesy. This is how I'm learning English. I put this here and I say courtesy, right? Like that's how you write it. And I do it a couple of times and then eventually it sticks. Oh, Grammarly worked. Do you work at a company? Yes, I work at my own company. Can anyone guess what's my company's name? I'll give you $100. But you have to guess in the next 5 minutes. 2 minutes. Timer 2 minutes. If I see the answer, I'll. I'll. How can I put it? Oh, too big. No, 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 no. I want to have the timer there. Why is it so hard? It takes more to set up the timer. Anyway. Okay. So that's that. Let's go on GitHub. GitHub and create a new commit. Plus new repository. This will be GitHub merge test description. Testing the automatic merging function stuff. Is it revenue from selling your book? Which one? You're so far. I can give you an hour and you won't guess. Yep. Okay. How do I know that VS Code has publish initialize. Okay. I did that. No, I have a company. Git status. Okay. Git add, git commit. No. Nope, 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 nope. And then I need to do commit. I did that. And then push bridging. Oh, I pushed, right? Okay. Okie dokie. Now let's create a git commit, a git checkout branch. This will be second, but now I am second. Whatever. Can't you hear me well? Alex says that it's not too. It's too low. Let me know if I should turn it up or something. How about now? It's a bit late here. Oh, okay. To be honest, I haven't listened to my own live streams, so I know if it's gay or not. I can see that it's not on the yellow part, so maybe it's a bit low. Anyway. Okay, so it's better. Okay, now yeah. Also depends if I speak closer or farther or whatever. Yeah. Alright, now I need to push this. Git push origin second, so that we have it here. And then I'm going to try this. Someone has to use the bathroom. And it's probably me. So, oh. 2 branches. Why? How do I pull requests? New pull request. Why is not the pull request created? It's a different branch. Okay, base, second. Dummy. I have to commit. Changes. Now it should appear. Come on, Florine, focus. Ahaha, awesome. So create compare pull request. Create pull request. It will have a it doesn't have a conflict because I changed the line. Okay. And yeah, so now I'm going to, whoa, so many things here. I'm going to the bathroom and then I'll be back. And then, well, until then you can watch puppies like that. You can directly use the action from GitHub interface. Yeah, that's what I want. Be right back. Hello. I'm back. Yeah, this puppy again. Hey, look. It has a purple one. That's kind of a pink. And then a red one. Okay. So, Burr said that you can directly use the action from GitHub interface. Nah, just a quick detour. Where? Oh, actions. Deploy. Can I like set up this purpose? Yeah, click. Set up a workflow yourself link. Okay. So I just copy this now. GitHub token. What's that? Little blue line after the text. Oh. I mean the same thing. So I can... Oh, search. Merge. Automatic merge. Simple merge. So many merges. Merge schedule. Can I click on it? Installation. Copy and paste the following snippet in YAML. Oh. Merge. You may pin to the exact commit to the version. Uses. Okay. Merge method to use. Possible values. Merge squash. Rebase. Default is merge. Oh. But this doesn't have the jobs and all that. Well, I can guess. And I think this is... I think this should go on here, right? Oh. Invalid type object. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Name uses. I mean, I don't know about YAML, but doesn't seem like this has the correct syntax. I'm confused. Yeah, this is incorrect. The original text from the left hand text area is missing. The original text from the left hand text area. So hard to type and explain. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. So this has tabs merge schedule runs on. Kind of the same thing. What if I copy this? Check this. See this kind of... I don't know if you can put links. Maybe delete the .com and... I don't know if I want to put the GitHub token here. What's the GitHub token though? End of the notes on a conversation block of your pull request. Yeah, I want this to be 7. It doesn't say about this token. Oh, this schedules a pull request. But I want... Oh, but it will merge it too. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. I guess let's keep it like this and see what happens. But, yeah. Start commit. Averon. Yeah, commit. Sure. Okay. My eyes. And then in pull request, in the YAML file, you'll see the cron job schedule using ATM each day. If you're interested in creating your own schedule, be sure to check Chrome tab. So now I should write something like, oh, I need to change the time because it... Anyway. The schedule, I want it to be 2021. Today is 7/7/8. Oh man, but the time is wrong. Go back. Now how can I change that? Oh. Let's go to cron tab. I want this to be 7/07. No, I want this to be, let's see, now it's 11:45. So that's -3, that's 8. Right? 8:46. No, hour, Monday. Oh wait, oh, minute is the first. Okay. Alright. So I want 46 here. 8:46. Yeah, let's put 47. So this is what I want. 47/8. Okay. Now I go to the pull requests and change this. Yes. This is what the article says. So it should work, but I don't have a GitHub token, so maybe that will not work. Added merge request. I haven't got to the Fortnite where reading my schedule. Any property owner want to find. Yeah. App actions. Oh, that's good. So then this should be it. It should work in 1 minute. I mean, I kind of think I did the right thing, right? Yeah. Who knows? In a pull request, add a line to the end of the pull request description. Looking like this. A pull request. Add a line at the end of the pull request description. Not like this, like a comment. Oh, pull request description. Okay. But that didn't work then. Where is the description? Oh, no description provided. Edit. I guess the same thing. Yeah, I'll check my DM. Sorry, chat. I'm just... Some checks haven't completed yet. My schedule. Qui. Waiting. Oh, look at that. All checks I failed. Yes. Something happened, but hey, I kind of did something, so... But now I don't know. It's a bug. Okay. Let's see. I think this is what you sent to, right? Yeah. Okay, so something failed. Failing after 3 seconds. Merge, pull details. Okay, let's see what happened. HTTP are bad credentials. Oops. Like, see, something's not good with the credentials part. Let's read this. GitHub actions to merge pull request on a scheduled day. Create GitHub workflow merge schedule YAML. Name, pull request, open and synchronize. Secret. Oh, this is in your pull request. Add the line at the end of pull request description looking like this. Or if you need a more precise time zone, anything that works with the new data stack will work. To control at which time of the day you want the pull request to be merged, I recommend adapt the ground setting the workflow. So I guess it worked, but I didn't have this. So maybe... What are you doing? Yeah, that's a good question, Philip. I don't know. I'm trying to schedule. I'm trying to schedule a Chrome job to push to, yeah, get the 50. Let's put it. I guess I can put it 51. Come fast. I have a minute. I'll leave it 52, whatever. So I'm trying to figure out a way so that GitHub will merge the PR automatically. Trying to schedule pull requests so that, yeah, thanks. Do I have to comment again? This says that in the pull request, add the line at the end of the pull request description looking like this. Alright. So this one, right? I'll delete this comment. I'm wondering if it will work or not. Yeah, because we have the weekly deals for devs project where I'll be going in vacation, so I want to have the deals already featured automatically next Monday and the next. So I'm learning to see, okay, how does it work? One more minute. 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. Maybe I have to redo it. Let's rerun the job manually, but I'll try again with another PR. Bad credentials again. Okay, merge schedule action. Let's look it up. GitHub token. Bad credentials, GitHub, merge schedule. I'm 100% sure the GitHub token is not managed by GitHub. But then what's happening? Actually cannot report as due to bad. Thank you. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, you know what? I am going to do it manually, and I guess. I mean, Don't give up. Ah, that's true also. But why it's bad credential? Oh, hey, I changed this. Oh, I rerun it with the same stuff. All right. Wait. Think, Florine, think. Let's check out another branch. Third. And this will be my third attempt. Alright, and I do git commit, new attempt, git push origin, third. I'll try with the new. I mean, the commit went through, right? With the workflows. Did I save it? Yeah, I did. But as you saw when I rerun that, it wasn't the good one. So let's compare and pull request, third. And I'll put a schedule. What was it? 2021 0708. 8 pull request. I'm wondering if now it will rerun. Oh, okay, look at that. It will rerun. Because it's pushed afterwards? Okay. Already in the past. Voice is not clear. I don't know what to do. Something with the filters going well. Please get the mic. I think this is a mic. Can you see it? I have a mic. Not an issue. You don't need to set the time. I set the time in the code YAML. Here. Put your microphone down to your mouth, maybe. Hello. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't. Alright, let me put this to 59 now. Start commit. Commit changes. Alright, and I'll do quickly a git checkout b fort whatever, git commit fort git push origin fort, and I go here, pull requests, fast, compare, and I do schedule 2021 0708. Create pull request. Now this should run. Hey, it's queuing. Why? Didn't I change the pull request there? Ah, come on, Florine. I did. So what's happening? As it's in the past. UTC time now. Is it 8:58? And my cron job. My cron job is 8. Like, let's go on cron stuff. Where is that? At 8:59. Yeah. Good work. It's already in the past. Come on. Well, at least this ran, right? That's good. You know, this ran, so that's good. Already in the past. I mean, this is today, right? 0708. Yeah. Can I put the time in here and not do the cron? Like this schedule. Can I put the time also? Probably that's the issue. It says, or in more precise time zone safety, you can use ISO date. Anything that works with new date. I could put the time too. Okay. So I want 2021 0708 at 8. No, I can't put 9 now. 901. Run. New day, const date, date 2. July 8, 9 GMT plus 3. Oh. Yeah. Validate. UTC. How do you put the UTC? Validate. You can put the time in the comment. The current setting is just a schedule of how it runs. The default is that it runs every hour and checks the schedule previous. You can change the cron to be every minute. So the cron is just checking every time. Oh yeah, so then I can put it every minute, but I don't know if it's, yeah, I can put it every hour, so right? And then this, I need to set the time. All right, let's do that. So the from, I'll put this to be, hey, look at that, runs at 8 every day. I want to run every hour. So 0 at minute 0. Yeah, so every hour. This was every minute. Every minute it's for demo set to every minute. Oh, okay, good. Smart. Smart. Alright, start comment. Every minute. Alright, you go every minute, boy. Okay, and now I can like edit this and put how do I put it at 8? I mean, I can use this and consider that is ET. I need to make oh, I can set the I can set it hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. Time zone. Set time zone in JavaScript date. JavaScript date object tracks time in UTC internally, but typically accepts input produce output to the local time running. Okay, so this one UTC. Okay, UTC, come on, run. Ha! Oh yeah, I mean, it's good. I can put UTC plus 3 and put it in my time, so 12:03. Come on, work pretty well. Awesome. In the action itself, you can set a time zone. Yeah, but if I set a time zone in the in the YAML file, won't it just work on that time? Right? I need to we're two different times. I'm confused about them, but anyway, I'll put this here and I'll make it 05. I'm wondering if it will redo it. So let's do again. Git checkout be fifth, yo, all commit fifth and push fifth. Okay, and now pull requests, create and pull requests. Put this will be 6. Create pull request. No. Schedule. Update time. Alright. I'll change these two just to see if they... I'll put this at 7. I'm wondering if they will force again. This didn't work, right? Okay, it's 6. Are you trying to invent QP? Why do I read merge Romanian like walk but not in English? Yeah. Is my timing wrong? Something's wrong, guys. Maybe it doesn't like this format. Maybe it's because it has strings? I mean, the YAML file, we changed it, right? Yeah, this should run every minute, so that's good. Come on. But then also it should run and fail and complain about it. Yeah, I wanted to complain about it. I mean, alright, let's say this is not good. But like, this is good, right? This should run again in a minute. Why is not running? I do details and... Oh boy. I guess it doesn't like this format now. Obviously invalid. Maybe a string? What if I change it as a string? And now I need this to be... or a way to connect these. I guess I can put T here, just right. Alright, but then it's not a fixed time and it depends on the... Oh, and like I said, the time zone in the Alright, let's do that, I guess. How do I set the time zone here? Automatic. Merge, schedule, merge, schedule. Where is it? Use this to convert to an ICO. Oh. Okay. Thanks. Just check your repo. Something happened? Getting tired, man. The actions have been complaining that the workflow file YAML is incorrect. Actions. Oh. 8 minutes ago. Oh, what's wrong with it? Taylor. How do I say what's wrong? View workflow file. You have an error of syntax on line 8. Okay, doesn't like what? This one? So this is every hour, but I want. GitHub action run every minute. Maybe it's too much. GitHub actions limit. Whoa. You have a limit? I didn't know about that. I might get a huge bill at the end. So it doesn't like every minute. Oh boy. Thank you, Nasco. Yeah, that could be, but then the YAML file is not working, so. Divided by 5. What's that? At every 5th minute. Oh. I would have clicked the merge button for you on Monday. Yeah. But thanks, Philip. That's a good one. Yeah, that's true. But we're learning, so that's another good thing. Yeah, let me do this at every 5 minutes. Can I do it every? Why it's not good? Name of alias code must contain at least 1 character. Runs every hour. On an hour. Action schedule runs most every minute. Learn more. I want to learn more. Leave site. Yes, I'll leave you. Fine. Oh, I can put this. Ha 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 ha. I can put this. Runs every minute. If you don't know work now, let's go back to the same thing. Yeah. Oh wait! I need to fix this now. Fast. How? Change. Edit. What's the time? 14. Update. Please work. I don't know if it works with like quote. Hey. Happening. It's happening. Alright, successful. In progress to be merged at details. To be done. Started. Da, 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 da. UTC plus 3. Come, come, come. Go, go, go. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, this should... Okay, what's that? So this didn't work well. So if it fails, it doesn't check again. Should I take checks? Two checks. Files changed. So if it fails, it doesn't do it again. And who knows how much time it takes for this. Schedule to be merged on. But that's now. I mean, hey, I feel like we're getting closer, right? But yeah, let's do an older one. Let's use the this stuff. I'm going to convert to ISO. Whoa, wait. I want this to be on 17 run. I'll get this. Closer to that. Yeah, let me put the 18. I want to have time to. All right. I'll copy this and I'll do the next one. Check out the 6. Finally, git commit 6 git push origin 6. Why is still running? Yeah, that's a good question. Maybe because I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to do this schedule. All right. Maybe because it doesn't know what that quote means, or I have no idea. In progress, schedule to be merged on. Yeah. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong with time, so need to figure out, because otherwise it won't work if it goes on 10. The action listing says time zone to use. Default is UTC time zone, America, Los Angeles. Yeah, I mean, default is UTC, so I should have, yeah, this should work. 18, so that's in 1 minute. This, for some reason, yeah. Yeah, maybe. I think this might work, the 6. In 1 minute. Let's look at the watch. 2, 1, 0. Oh, wow. I have no idea. It is scheduled and doesn't give any error. So, I mean, yeah, but I need to know that it's merged, you know, by at 10 a.m. That's the idea of all of this. But you haven't set the time zone in the action itself. Well, should I? Well, won't it get it from here? And you said that by default is UTC, so... Let's try setting. Alright. Time zone east. Okay. Where do I set it? Here? uses... Wait. Time zone. Eat and try. Can I put East? I guess. But default is UTC. I'm okay with UTC. Or if you need more precise time zone safe setting, you can use an ICO. I'm tired, guys. I am fried after... I don't know, this stream has been long. Whoa, yeah. 2 hours. Yeah, I can do that. So I just put time zone UTC here. But it says default is in UTC, so it should work. Why do I have to specify if the default is in UTC, right? Let me try something else. I'm going to give it a time which is in the past, so... I don't know. Past won't run. Yeah, but at least I know that they take the time correctly, right? Only default is merge and UTC, so you don't need to. What time is the time that we're adding to the description? I don't know the question. I don't understand. I'm fried. I had to get up, but... Like, what happens if I changed it? Why did not... Like, why are these not going again? Should it check every minute? Oh, hey, Philip. I give up for today. I can't think anymore. My head hurts. Yeah, I'll just wait to see when these fire. Should I change that minute to every day or so? I don't want to get a huge bill or something. Yeah, my brain is popping out. Yeah, let's change this too. Every hour should be fine. Maybe change the action version number to push it again. Anyway, I spent too much time on this. No, yeah. Bye bye. I'm upset. I don't want to have it. Bye. Yeah, try and review. I don't know about the actions. I don't want to get a bill or something. I need to check out how the actions work. I'm afraid of getting a huge bill because it ran every minute. Who knows what happens? Me when I try learning programming. Yeah, that's true. Let's go back to weekly deals. And yeah, this is... Keep us updated. Yeah, Kapoor, please do. Maybe there's some tool online which can do that for it. All right, let's see. I have this. Okay. Going back to the tasks. Spent too much time. Today is Thursday, right? Let's see what's left to be done. Write tweet for launches, prepare deals. I did this. I need to finish this, prepare the emails. I'm going to do. Let's create a bot to press the merge button. Yep. Okay. I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap and then I go for a run. Even though it's so hot, I want to go for a half marathon. Or at least 10k. Yeah. Prepare the deals for next week. I need to find 2 free deals to add them there. And... yeah, I deleted it. I want to delete the nightmare. Spent an hour on it. I'll do this tomorrow. And yeah, I mean, for today, let's just... This didn't work either. I saw an email. Uh, 100 places to launch. And how to learn stop up as a single person, 70 tips for great copywriting. Let's read stuff. Oh, I also have to write the recap for today. What I did today? Good question. Just a second, I have call. That was short. Okay, spent 1 hour to figure, and I don't know, maybe an hour. A lot of time to figure out how to automatically merge a PR. Prepared the following 2 weeks for weekly deals. This is Brave. Yep. Notes on Brave, or what is it? Yeah. Notes is Notion. No, this is Notion, and the Brave is, yeah, the browser. That's right. Let's look at the to-dos also. Create the branches, show time, convert short URL, prepare the deals. Yeah. Data recaps. Open. Did some changes to the website structure, to the website's code structure. Removed short URL as now we're tracking clicks on plausible. Okay, and yeah, separate PRs. Then I figure out how to merge a PR on GitHub, but didn't figure out how. Alright. Good. Let's read. Relaunch like a pro. 100 places to launch your product. I think I've read this. Let's see. I'm going to share this to the chat if you want to check it out. Relaunch. Yeah. I could use a launch now. A launch. I could use anything now. By the way, let me show you something. Do you know that I have a GitHub repository with over 46,000 stars? And it haven't been updated for 2 years? That's crazy. But hey, it'll work. Oh, I've read this, so I don't need to read this. Relaunch like a pro, 100 places. For indie hackers, one launch won't usually cut it. It's becoming increasingly common for companies to launch and relaunch their product multiple times. Montasier, for example, launched Postplace over 50 times within 6 months and brought in 146,000. That, along with the list of launch sites he created, inspired me, so I did a little digging and started aggregating places to launch list products. Here's a list of more than 100 sites. First, a few tips. Before we go to the list, here are a few solid pre-launch and post-launch tips I followed along the way. Get clear on the goals and metrics for your launch. Pick a launch date and try to stick to it. Also, make sure that... be right back. Sorry, I have to wait someone to bring a package. Be right back. Hello. I thought you were improving yourself for FANG or something, but building multiple income streams is fun. Yeah. That's fun. That's why I did. Hopeful. Okay. Let's see. So, about pre-launch. Look into best practice for each launch platform that you're using. For example, some platform has specific days and times that work best. Kind of know this about Product Hunt. Launch checklist, pre-launch landing page, explainer video, build an email list, offer freebies, get started on marketing. It isn't too early. What's your current income? If you go to makemoney.dev, and here you go to projects, you'll see the income here. In the future, I might have to like break down the income sources and all that and maybe make it automatically display, but yeah, for now this works. Okay, build in public, build hype, make sure friends and family are primed. If you're using it after press, create a press kit, put together outreach list, prepare your outreach, run pre-sale. This is a nice list I'm going to store. Resources, useful articles, and this, a bookmark. Feed the projects page to the chat. I'm assuming it's per year. I don't have a time limit for this. Like I didn't put a deadline. I would assume I do it in a year, but I don't know. I'm fine with whatever works. Yeah. Okay. Do QA, make sure post launch, check in with users, send updates, where to launch and relaunch, Product Hunt. This is a great resource. I mean, the income is 720 per year. Oh, no, that's the total income. So the challenge is to go to 100k revenue, not in 100k ARR. Not yet. Maybe in the future, but like the basic idea of the challenge is to build something which makes money. If it's MRR or just one-off payments, anything, I'm going to learn a lot along the way, and I'm going to share what I'm learning. So that's kind of why I'm doing it, you know. Product Hunt, show a change. It's an excellent opportunity to share your product with the community. Launch the community where makers showcase their product. Database, beta page, emoji launch, site where you can list your launch super easily. Reddit. So this is a nice place. Dev. Oh boy. MakerLog. Hey, do you remember? This is the site. Vid, do you remember I was searching for Maker, some kind of website? This is it. This is the website I was talking about. Yeah. Look, Renas is here too. This is the guy who built No Sugar Today. So many resources. Yeah. Yeah, look, No Sugar Today. Let's see, did he do anything else on it today? Whoa. Oh, read it. Yeah. Pricing. Same. Oh, nice. This looks like a Tailwind, right? Tailwind design. Tailwind UI design. Yeah, I've been talking with Renas yesterday, so. Okay. Sites where you can list your product. Press. I'm on. No eating any basically, even bread of itself. Yeah, probably. Well, you can make bread at home. And that's not sugar. That doesn't have sugar. Or veggies. I guess the sugar in the veggies and stuff, it's okay. Hey, I have a mention. Great notion. Yeah, let's check this. Timus. The lifetime offer looks like he wants it to run on its own. What I've read about lifetime offers is that it is to build some money in the beginning. You don't want to offer a lifetime deal. Like it will get into the possibility of making more money, maybe. Who knows? I don't know. Sometimes offering a lifetime seems like a good idea, but like the price he has for the lifetime, it's like how many months? Like 10 months of pro. So when I was researching to have a monthly subscription and then an annual plan and then a lifetime deal, the lifetime deal should have been at least or around 3 years of payment, you know. So for example, if you have the monthly for $5, you can have the yearly for 45 or something, right? You give 3 months for free, and then the yearly for 150. So 3 years plus, because it has to be something valuable, right? Anyway, so yeah, look at Timos created this. Let's see. The first step is create a page, a Notion app to keep my ideas for project. I want to include firm time. I can see in glimpse the project status of them. Yeah, so hey, look at this. Yes, that's right, Vid. I agree. I like how he set this up, but he have a time. Let's put here a comment to make him keep up the good work. Awesome. Keep up the good work. I'm Timer? What's Jack? By the way, I want to, and I will do. I want to write an update on the challenge. I'll put it directly here. Write update on Indie Hackers for the 500 revenue milestone. Do you still do portfolio reviews? Not now. No. Revenue. Did I have a couple comments here? 10 comments. Whoa. Yeah. Since the launch of weekly deals dev, I've managed to secure 6 paid paid slots for the premium deals. This brings the total revenue for the challenge to 250. uh 160 from the Notion. Okay, then 50 from the paid slots on Dev, and 60 from affiliate. Okay. The first 3 weeks for the premium deals brings the total revenue for the 1 week challenge. I'll put the link. I need to change this to say that I'm not going to update daily. Next goal is to bring the project to a solid revenue per month with at most 2 to 3 hours of work per week. For this, I have to automate process of adding deals weekly, and yeah, my speaker died. Anyway, and find new places to market the website. All right, I guess that's okay. I'm tired. You can probably hear it. Right. Let's see the comments. Oh. This, I'm going to put it 700. Okay. Yeah. Too late. I did it. Hey, Zoltan. Thank you. Okay. Good. It's interesting how I get tired after 2-3 hours. Probably because I'm talking along the way. Yeah. I'm going to read this while I'm going to eat something. And yeah, then later today I'm going to find some free deals. It will get easier with time. Yeah. Yeah, today was a lot of troubleshooting. But yeah, it is what it is. Indeed, it gets. And later today I have to go shopping for some stuff for vacation, so yeah. Just seen your channel in the recommendation section. Nice to see Romanians do this kind of content. Hey, thank you. yeah, I'm trying. As you can see, I'm fried. My brain is dead. But tomorrow is the next day, and do I have the plans? Yeah. Write the tweets and prepare the emails, prepare the next deals. That will be the focus for tomorrow. And yeah, that's good. To be honest, I'm a bit sad that I'm going vacation, and that's sad to say. It's sad to say that you're sad that you're going on vacation, but the reason why I'm sad is that I really like this journey I started. I'll take 2 weeks off. Well, I can't stream, I guess. I can stream on my laptop, but it won't be the same thing. Yeah. Well, nevertheless. It's a fun journey. I am excited. I'm learning stuff, so that's the most important part. And I'm making some money, which, whatevs. You're excited and don't want to break the momentum. Yeah, that's right. That's the reason. But yeah. Thank you all for joining today. I'll see you tomorrow, roughly the same time. I kept saying 10 a.m. Romania time, but I don't know. Sometimes I just postpone it a bit. So roughly the same time. I'll use the vacation. Speaking of vacation, I'll use the vacation, my free time in vacation, to read more, brainstorm more, and yeah, enjoy my time, obviously. But yeah, maybe a 3+ hour to stream without breaking a sweat. I mean, I could stream for more than 3 hours if everything would come from inside my brain. But now I'm also, the reason why I'm tired probably is because I also put stuff in, and it's like it's harder to upload stuff than to download stuff, right? Yeah, that's it. Like if you put me to make a website with the things I already know, it just goes up like fireworks. But if you make me learn new stuff, the energy is depleted fast. Yeah. Okay. As usual, saying goodbye is hard, so goodbye. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, and all that stuff. Bye. Take care. Thanks for joining. That's it.